Secretary Roque mentioned about the Philippine economy. Mostly 95% of our businesses, numbers of outlet and establishment is the biggest is SME. So that's one. Second, to able to this SME to participate in the digital transformation, we have a lot of things to consider. Basic infrastructure connectivity should be in place. You're talking about digital transformation without connectivity, but that's not yet cannot happen, right? That's parang kang bumili marami sasakyan, walang highway, right? That's happening. So that's number one requirement. Number two, I mentioned a while ago also about we need to upscale our talent, especially the young people. That's the hackathon is, right? So we went to different provinces. We make sure all the students enthusiastic about technology, about development. So they identify the